It's been a week-long celebration for the 100-day release of Seal M. So how's it been going for you? Hey guys, this is Blay and welcome back to my corner. In this week's update, we are continuing the 100-day celebration for Seal M. We still have the code, and if you still haven't claimed it yet, grab the coupon code SEAL100day now and receive some awesome rewards. One update they did this week is they adjusted the wishing success chance from 0.01% to 0.08%. Hopefully this time we get something good from the wishing well. Next, the special login event. For this week, it still has increased rewards, so log in and claim them every day. Food Fighter and 100-day fishing are still the same as last week, so keep on doing them and claim the rewards every day. One event that has ended is the 100-day Shields Awards. We just need to wait for our participation rewards and the lucky 10 to get additional rewards. Let's wait for further announcement on this. And lastly, the 100-day special mission. Most of you are probably done with this event. This is an easy event to do if you are playing daily. Hunting biles, completing request missions, and dismantling are already second nature from the daily grind. But we still have one mission that is not done yet, obtaining random pets. Let me show you how you can easily finish this mission. One way of obtaining pets is through summoning, but you will need pet summon tickets in order to summon. If you don't have 600 tickets, you won't be able to finish the mission. The only thing you need to obtain pets are candy jelly seals. This is the easiest and fastest way to obtain pets. Go to Capital Elim and find the NPC Ariel. Here, you will exchange 5 candy jelly seals for 1 pet lock box. You will have a random chance of getting any of the following. Ideally, you would want to get the amber, fresh egg, seed, and papaya egg. Ariel's keepsake can just be sold in the NPC. Let's start with 100 first and see how many pets we can get. Opening 100 got us 78 pets. Keep on doing this until you complete the 600 pet mission. It took me roughly 800 boxes to get 600 pets, costing around 4,000 candy jelly seals. Candy jelly seals are easy to obtain right now. We have 2 ways of obtaining candy jelly seals. One is through the request board missions. By doing SS rank missions, you will get 3 request reward box with a total of 12 candy jelly seals per mission. Doing the 99 request points using Winter's special coupon and the existing 30 request points that we have, you can roughly get 516 candy jelly seals, which is around 103 pet lucky boxes daily. Having alts increases the amount even further. It's up to you if you want to maximize or do the bare minimum with alts. Second way to get candy jelly seals is through the Food Fighter event. We have 2 runs daily. Getting the max rewards will get you 120 candy jelly seals per run for a total of 240 per day, which is around 48 pet lock box. From both of these events, roughly you can get around 150 plus pet lock boxes excluding alts. Keep on doing this until you finish the obtain pet mission. We are continuing the 100-day celebration this week in Season 4 for Seal M. If you haven't been celebrating, then now is the best time to join in on the fun. What are you looking forward for in Seal M? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit that like and notification bell to get updated on all things gaming related. Hope to see you again here in my corner. Sayonara! Goodbye! Paalam!